Hey guys, Jillian here, and I'm coming to you from my favorite part of my apartment, the most beloved place, the place that I both love to love and sometimes hate myself. Working on that. My So in case you just like live under a rock or you don't have a Netflix, you've probably seen the television show that is sweeping the nation by storm, one dirty house at a time. And it's Marie Kondo, and she's literally the most iconic person I think I've seen in so long. She's just like, if you could bottle up happy in a person and then just put it out to the world, it would be her. She is absolutely my favorite person ever. She just goes in, she organizes people's homes, makes them realize the things they're doing wrong, but more so just makes them realize the joy that they could potentially have in their space. And that's so rad. And I want to do that with my closet because it's been a hot minute since I've touched it, or let alone like organized any spectrum in here. Which is kind of alarming. Like, my heart's beating so fast. Like the anxiety, I can already feel it like coming over, taking control. So basically today I'm going to attack my closet the Marie Kondo way. I'm going to haul out every bit of clothing, throw it on my bed, and organize it. It's a moment. And I thought I would kind of bring you along with me, let you see the madness. I think how I want to attack it is after I bring out everything, I'm separating all of my clothes into like 3 or 4 categories. The first category being things I want to trash. So like, bye, see you later, sorry sucker.
Bye, Felicia.
We don't need you, you're probably dirty.
A little crusty.
We've been worn too many times. So the things I need to just trash, the things that I want to donate to like Salvation Army, and then third, the things that I either want to list on Poshmark or sell on Plato's Closet, donate, and like get money that way. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. If you would like to take this ride along with me and witness it all, then just keep watching. So just to ensure that I am as relaxed and giving myself enough peace and serenity through all of this, I've got lavender and peppermint essential oils diffusing, and one of my favorite sugared snickerdoodle candles going. The combination's kind of weird, but it works. And then the closet. Yeah. I originally said in my intro that we're gonna take out everything and put it on the bed, and now I'm kind of nervous. That's the shoe situation. It's kind of hard to tell, but originally this was a color coordinated moment. I mean, you can kind of tell that it's somewhat there now, but like just everything is squished, like hashtag cramped. So we're about to see what we can do with this mess. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. I don't know. I have to get back into my closet to see out the whole pile. This is massive. I'm embarrassed. Okay, you cannot see my bed, so that's the problem. And what's kind of sad is that's just what was hanging here. That's not like shoes or like pajamas and things up here. Pajamas, underwear, jeans, things like that. So that's gonna have to be phase 2, I guess. But gosh, I'm out of breath. Hi, Tuesy. Say, I just went through this entire pile of clothes and Tootsie observed me do every single one. I am pooped. That I feel like it took about 3 hours with like consistent work, and which it's not too bad. This is a bag for Salvation Army, just stuff that like I don't foresee people wanting. Stuff I've either had for a while or maybe is ripped and stained and things like that. And these 2 bags are for Plato's Closet, so whatever they don't want, I will then go through and either put on Poshmark or just donate to Salvation Army. And then just kind of like a little update, this is what the closet looks like now. I went ahead and hung all of the clothes that were on the bed that I wanted to keep. Those are the empty hangers, and then I need something. These are all of my bras and then all of my vintage scarves. So now what I'm gonna do is go through this closet, and I'm going to color coordinate the closet and then sort by sleeve length so that it looks a lot more organized. So I just want you to kind of see the difference. Like, it doesn't look bad now, but it's so crazy what just like a little bit of color coordination and organizing does. So this is the update. Hi guys. So we are still working on the closet. It's almost 10 p.m. I started this journey at like 2 p.m. So it's been quite the moment. What I've done so far, I will show you. Normally, I color coordinate my closet just in its like entirety. I want to do something different this time and separate my closet by item. At the beginning of the closet, I've got my little vintage scarves and then my robes that I get ready with in the morning. All of my jackets together, and in each category, I color coordinated. If you're in retail, you know what Roy G. Biv is, but it just means you go like colors of the rainbow, so from red to black and white. And so I did all the jackets together and all the sweaters together, all of the long sleeve blouses together, all of the short sleeve blouses together, tank tops, which I have like -2, I don't do tanks as much, and then some of my hanging pants I color coordinated right there. So this is the progress this far. Okay, so this is pile 2. I just cleared the top portion of my closet and hauled it all on the bed. Just me and my pile of clothes. And I just want to say I'm really sorry to those that are like cringing at how my face is a different color than my body. I got a spray tan this last weekend. My face was originally tan, but I wash it twice a day and exfoliate. So now it's just up to my foundation to match, but I'm not wearing makeup. So, hello. Oh my goodness. I think this is your new favorite place. Whoa. You're so pretty. Hi. What are you doing, baby? Uh-huh, so chatty. So cute. Hey, she loves it when I boop her on the nose. Watch. Hey, you down. For me, when I'm watching Marie Kondo go through a closet or a collection of something, and she's talking to the families about how to get rid of things, how to say goodbye, how to keep them and love them, the main question she always asks is, does this spark joy? Like, when you look at this item, does it make you happy? What does it make you feel? Because material things have that way of sometimes just making us have this flashback or memory, and sometimes they're just so wonderful. They make you happy, you know? They're not everything, but they're fun things to like add to a life, you know? And so when I'm going through my closet, it's really easy for me to be able to look at something and be like, that does not make me happy. That's kind of my thought process, is when I'm looking at something, does it make me happy? Does it make me feel good to like be in the you know, the presence of it. Honestly, a lot of the things, especially when you're going through your closet, half of the things probably either don't fit or they're not your style anymore, or things have evolved and changed. So it kind of makes it a little bit easier because I know like right away, like, no, this doesn't make me happy. It doesn't fit me anymore, you know? What's really interesting is like there are some items that we don't realize are kind of like connected to maybe a bad experience. Sometimes that can be tied to material things, so I'm kind of going through that as well. Like if I just have a really bad memory in something, I'm like, you know, I'd rather someone else like have that and like make good memories from it. So first thing on the pile that I see are these high-waisted, it's kind of hard to tell, but they're from H&M, I believe. Yeah, they're from H&M. They're these high-waisted paper bag, almost waist pants with a little tie detail, and I love the pattern on them. I absolutely love these. Like these make me really, really happy because I can wear them casually with like a v-neck and like some chunky earrings, or I can wear it with a blazer for, you know, a more business appropriate, business casual vibe. So definitely yes to these. Keeping these leggings, oh my god, I didn't even realize I had these. I think I got these back when I first realized that Victoria's Secret had clothes too. Like I always knew pink had clothes, but I remember when I was younger, I didn't realize that like Victoria's Secret had its own like little line of like clothing until like later on, and I'm pretty sure that's where I found these. These are like so dingy. So they've got little scrunches at the bottom. They're these really loud floral leggings that waist looks tiny. I'm not even sure it would go over my thighs at this point. So we are going to donate these to Salvation Army. All right, and for the final reveal, I don't know why this makes me so happy. And then the shoes. Oh my god, I feel like this took me forever. But I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I ended up keeping the whole closet organized by item instead of necessarily color coordinated. So I went ahead and kept it like jackets, sweaters, long sleeve blouses, short sleeve blouses, tanks, and then bottoms sorted by color. And then the top, I kind of did in the same type of fashion. I did like from your intimates down to your sweats. So bralettes, bathing suits in the back, camis, sports bras, t-shirts, which you can see I like majorly downsized. I have quite a few in the laundry, but I gave away tons of t-shirts. Like you just don't need that many, you know? And I was one of those people who kept thinking, I'll make them into a quilt. Right, Tootsie? I'm not gonna. So I ended up just giving them away. And then that's sweatshirts there, sweatpants, leggings, and then all of my shoes are down here, and they're just kind of, I did a major shoe like declutter too, because I had a lot more shoes than this, but I was like, you know, if I haven't worn them or they're just like falling apart, it's time to let them go. So I did my like sandals and strappy heels down to my flats, and then like a couple pairs of sneakers, and then I have a couple different pairs of boots. So I really just have my staples, and it makes me feel so much lighter. It makes me feel really happy too, because I'm giving a lot of them away to Salvation Army. Before, I think I only had one bag for Salvation Army. Now I have 2.5. So that's kind of grown. And then I still have the 2 bags for Play-Dohs, and then 1 bag of jeans that I'm going to take there. So whatever Play-Dohs doesn't want, I'll either put on my Poshmark or just donate it. But that's the final hurrah. Tootsie loves it. She wants to get up to her hiding place. Girlfriend, I just don't think so. All right, Tootsie, say bye. I think you guys have officially seen me wear like 4 different things. It's fine. This video kind of went over the span of a couple of days. So Thanks so much for watching. I hope you got anything out of this video. I really enjoyed doing it, even though it was like really stressful at times. It feels so light and good, and like I'm obsessed. I love my closet now. Haha. I want to get dressed that much more in the morning. So give this video a like, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I would really love for us to be YouTube friends and then maybe real friends too. And until next week, I hope you guys have a really great day. Bye.